Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of cameras. On my left, we have the cinematic beast, the Sony ILME-FX3. And on my right, the compact powerhouse, the Canon EOS R10. Let's find out which one deserves a spot in your camera bag. First up, the price. The Sony ILME-FX3 is priced at $3,899, which many reviewers note is a significant investment, but worth it for the quality it provides. Users praise its ease of use and exceptional features, making it suitable for serious filmmakers. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R10 is available for $1,099, and reviewers highlight its excellent value for the price, making it a great choice for photography enthusiasts without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about sensor quality. The FX3 features a 4K full-frame sensor with an impressive dynamic range of over 15 stops, which many users rave about for its low-light performance and picture quality. In contrast, the R10 has a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, which is good but often described as less versatile than the FX3's sensor, especially for low-light situations. Reviewers appreciate the R10's image quality, but it doesn't quite match the F.X3's capabilities for professional work. Next up, video performance. The F.X3 can shoot 4K at 120p and boasts an uninterrupted 4K 60p recording with a cooling fan, which users find remarkable for long shoots. Reviewers frequently mention its professional-grade video quality and features like dual SD card slots. In comparison, the R10 also offers 4K video, but it's more suitable for casual vlogging rather than serious filmmaking. Users note it's decent for everyday use, but lacks the same high-end capabilities as the F.X3. Let's talk design. The FX3's compact cage-free design is praised for its portability and ease of use, making it a favorite among videographers who want to feel professional without the bulk. Reviewers love its build quality and user-friendly features. Meanwhile, the R10 is lauded for its lightweight and compact design, perfect for travel. Users appreciate how it fits easily into bags and is convenient for on-the-go photography, though some mention its small viewfinder as a drawback. Now onto autofocus and shooting speed. The F.X3 has a reliable autofocus system, but the R10 shines with its advanced subject detection technology, earning praise from users for its effectiveness. Reviewers note that the R10's autofocus keeps subjects sharp, making it ideal for fast-paced photography. Additionally, the R10's shooting speed of up to 15 FPS is highlighted as a significant advantage for capturing action shots, compared to the F.X3's more cinematic focus. Overall, the Sony ILME-FX3 is highly regarded for its professional-grade features and performance, making it ideal for serious filmmakers. Reviewers consistently highlight its ease of use, exceptional low-light capabilities, and build quality. Conversely, the Canon EOS R10 is celebrated for its affordability, compact design, and suitability for photography enthusiasts, though some users wish for improved battery life and weather sealing. So what's the verdict? If you're looking to make serious films and have the budget, the Sony ILME-FX3 is your best bet. But if you want a solid camera that won't break the bank, the Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic option. Comment below which one you'd choose, or if you'd rather save your money for that trip to Bali. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep buying smart and capturing those epic moments.